Today on this binary option winning strategy video, I will use my reversal trading formula. In the previous best IQ option or best binary option winning strategy video, I already took couple of trades and explained it to you. In this video, I am going to take some more trades in pocketoption.com and let's analyze the market. Guys, if you are a traders for some times and you know the market, then this is a very good ranging market. And if you find any kind of ranging market, then the ranging market is the best market to place trade for reversal pattern. Okay, so I will look for the perfect reversals position, and when I get any perfect reversal position, I will place a trade for the reversal signals. Okay, anyway guys, I genuinely trade on iqoption.com and on binary.com, but to be honest, I make most of my trading money with binary.com. Some of my close friends are suggesting to use pocketoption.com, so I created an account with pocketoption.com, and this broker is quite good so far. If you are from USA, Australia or Canada, then you can create an account on pocketoption.com. Binary option is an amazing opportunity for people like us to make money, but unfortunately 90% people lost their money in binary option trading, while rest of the 10% people earning thousands and even millions of dollars each month. In the past week, I withdrew over $9,600 from binary.com and $2,600 more from IQ option. Hello guys, I'm Jony. You can call me Jony alone. I'm your host for today's binary option tutorial video. I'm a software developer, but for the past 2 years I've been studying forex market, binary options and the indicator. In the past 2 years, I spent hundreds and thousands of hours analyzing and taking trades and already gained a lot of knowledge about binary options and forex market. I am here to share my best binary option strategies and knowledge with you. So traders, let's take couple of trades in pocketoption.com and let's make some money. Guys, we get a trading opportunity here, and if this candle break this level, then I will go for a higher option here. Guys, this candle didn't break this level, but still, according to my trend demon strategy, the candle can break this level, or second, this candle can close between this level. Okay, from this level to this level, this candle can close between this level, but I'm sure that the market will break this level because it is a strong uptrend and the market will try to create another higher high from this level. Okay guys, the market already break this level and we are winning our trade here. Only 8 seconds remaining and I think we will win this trade. Guys, I would like to go for another higher option here. Guys, I'm using my trend demon strategy, and trend demon strategy will give you a lot of signal. It is true that trend demon strategy only offer you 65% to 80% winning ratio, but also on the other side it will offer you a lots of trading signals. Lots of trading signal means you can find 8 to 10 trading opportunity in an hour on one currency pair. That means if you are trading on 4 different currency pair, that means you will get 40 to 50 signals every hour if you are following my trend demon strategy. And I think we will win this trade as well. If we win this trade, then I will close this session here, because the market is losing its momentum and it is rejecting from sellers, the seller wants to make some entry. Anyway guys, we win this trade and I already achieved the $1,321, so I'm not going to risk any more balance because I already gained $300 in the past couple of hours. So this is enough for me. To be honest guys, I just deposited $250 in pocket option just 2 days ago, and I already achieved and I already reached the $1,320 in within just 2 days. Anyway guys, this platform is quite good, but guys, IQ option is the best because IQ option has the most user friendly interface we can possibly get from a binary option broker. So I will recommend you. I am trading on my live or real account in the pocketoption.com. Guys, I will recommend you to use the IQ option platform because this is super easy to use and the interface is really user friendly. Also, the pocket option is really good, but the pocket option interface uh, is not comparable to the IQ option because IQ option offer far much more better user interface than pocketoption.com. But guys, a lot of people had told me that IQ option blocked their account for some reason, but couple of my friends has recommended me this broker because one of my friend is a top class trader and he withdraw more than $300 every day from pocketoption.com, and he doesn't have any issues with the withdrawal process or the broker didn't block his account. So you can trustfully use the pocketoption.com. But do you get tired of buying indicators? Do you want to make money from binary option trading? Are you looking for 7 to 80% winning binary option strategy? Do you always lose your trade and blow your account balance? You don't know how to read the market? Already lost a lots of money? You think binary option sucks but still wants to make money from binary option trading? You will get 10 to 50 signals from me every single day. It starts from just $20 per month. Our winning ratio is over 70%. You can win 10 to 30 trades every day, have my 2+ years experience in binary option trading, can close the months with lots of profit. Trust me guys, you will like my signal service. It's a good deal, right? Guys, do you like my videos and my trading system? If you want to make money from binary option and IQ option website, you can copy my trading signals. My trading signals will give you 70 to 85% winning ratio. You don't need my signal service guys. You can watch all the YouTube videos I will publish every single day. You can study and practice my trading system and strategies I will share with you on YouTube for totally free. But still, if you want, then you can copy my trading signals. From the 10th November, our signal service will be available for you. You can enroll today, and for the November month, we will only take 50 members on our signal group. So, what you will get inside? I will provide more than 10 to 20 signal in my basic IQ option copy trading service and 20 to 50 signals on the advanced IQ option copy trading service every day. For the basic binary option copy trading services, it will cost $20 for $20 per month, and for advanced binary options copy trading services, it will cost $50 per month. Also, you will get a custom-made secret money management sheet from me, and by following the Excel sheet, you will get huge return on investment by risking only the 5 to 10% of your account balance. You can use any binary option broker and can enjoy my signal services. If you purchase any of my signal service, you will get 30 days full access, and within 30 days you need to renew your monthly subscription for the next 30 days. That means we are not charging for November or December month. We are charging for your 30 days subscription period. That means you can join my signal service anytime or at any day you want. This is amazing, right? So you don't so I will recommend you don't waste any more time. Purchase my signal service and be a profitable trader. But guys, it is highly recommended that you use your free time to learn more about the forex and binary option market, how the market works, and learn how to trade. On the meantime, when you are learning about binary option trading and best binary options winning strategy, you can use our signal service to make money from binary option, pocketoption.com or IQ option or any other binary options broker. Hello viewers, do you like my trading videos and strategies? If you would like to learn more binary options and forex strategies from me, then please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, please press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever I publish a new YouTube videos.